The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Join us as we explore the incredible potential and profound impact of AI on our world. Imagine smart homes where AI assistants manage every task, from lighting to groceries. Personalized health monitoring devices keep us well, predicting needs before they arise. Autonomous vehicles navigate bustling city streets, making travel safer and more efficient. AI-powered educational tools adapt to individual learning styles, unlocking new potential for students. Creative AI generates stunning art, captivating music, and compelling literature. AI seamlessly integrates into our daily routines, making life more efficient and deeply personalized. In science, AI accelerates rapid drug discovery and complex data analysis. It aids in climate modeling, helping us understand and protect our planet. Robotic arms and intelligent systems optimize manufacturing processes with precision. AI-driven logistics manage global supply chains, ensuring seamless delivery worldwide. AI is revolutionizing industries and accelerating scientific breakthroughs at an unprecedented pace. However, with great power comes great responsibility. We must address data privacy concerns and actively combat algorithmic bias to ensure fairness for all. The debate around AI ethics is crucial for its responsible development. We must also prepare for potential job displacement and the need for new skills. Addressing these challenges ensures AI benefits humanity responsibly. The true power of AI lies in human-AI collaboration, augmenting our capabilities. AI serves as a powerful tool for problem-solving across all fields. It enhances human creativity, fostering innovation in ways we never imagined. This symbiotic relationship empowers human potential, leading to a brighter future. The transformative power of AI is undeniable, shaping our world for generations to come. It promises a future of innovation, efficiency, and boundless possibilities. What do you envision for the future of AI? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Join the conversation and help shape the incredible journey of artificial intelligence.